Helo a chroeso nôl bawb, I fy mhodlediad heno. Hello and welcome back everyone to my podcast tonight. Tad, ffyddlon a charedig wedi marw yn dilyn ymosodiad honedig yn Nhwrci. A faithful and kind father has died following an alleged attack in Turkey. Cyfres pedwar a phennod rhif, chant, pedwar wyth. Series 4 and episode number 348. Rap in English, rap in Welsh. The music where you rap, hip-hop and stuff. That's what this episode's about. We had a previous episodes about bass and drums and other musicians and stuff. Staying on a music theme, when we rap at the moment. I've been researching that a lot today. So, hopping over. Heddiw wedi Sadwn. Today is Saturday, y cyntaf o Awst, the 1st of August, 2026, 2026. Ac mae'n ddau funud wedi 10 o'r hwyr. And it is 2 minutes past 10 p.m. O unsaf ac mae'n 2 funud wedi 10 o'r hwyr. Because ddau or ddwy, depending on whether masculine in the north or feminine in the south for the word minute. But they both mutate after die or thy on dewy or ddwy. This is a mutation after both number 2s. The links today are the mhodlediad, which means like the book of rhyme. To oddly is to rhyme, and the yadir is an instrument or book of something. Like dyddiadur is a diary, geiriadur is a dictionary, so on and so forth. Another link there as well to buying the book, or mhodlediad as well, because there's a website version of a rhyming dictionary, and there's a book and modernizations of the book as well available. So there, and that link, and then a link to that article there. That guy dying in Turkey. Today's article, mae rapio a alwyr hefyd yn oddly llifo neu MCing, rapping, also known as rhyming, flowing or MCing, yn fath artistig o gyflwyno lleisiol a mynegiant emotional sy'n cynnwys odlau. It is an artistic form of vocal delivery and emotional expression that usually includes rhymes, lleferydd rhythmic speech, a geiriau stryd fel arfer, and street words. It is fe'i gyflawnir yn aml dros guriad neu gerddoriaeth, gefndir. It is often performed over a beat or background music. Mae elfennau allweddol rapio yn cynnwys the key elements of rapping include the content, geiriau, the lyrics, llif, rhythm a odlau, the flow, rhythm and rhymes, a'r cyflwyniad, cadence a thorn, and the delivery, cadence and tone. Mae'n wahanol I farddoniaeth lafar am ei fod yn cael ei berfformio dros gerddoriaeth. It is different from spoken poetry because it is performed over music. Ac yn wahanol I ganu am nad yw'n dibynnu ar newediadau mewn traw. And different from singing because it does not depend on changes in pitch. Mae rapio yn elfen ganolog o gerddoriaeth hip-hop ac yn aml fe'i gelwir yn gerddoriaeth rap. Rapping is a central element of hip-hop music and is often referred to as rap music. Mae gwreiddiau modern rapio yn deillio o ddiwylliant hip-hop yn y Bronx. The modern roots of rapping stem from hip-hop culture in the Bronx, Dinas Efrog Newydd, New York City, yn y 70au cynnar in the early 70s. Gan dyfu o gyhoeddiadau DJs a MCs mewn partion. Growing from the announcements of DJs and MCs at parties. Mae ei ragflaenwyr yn cynnwys traddodiadau griot, I think they pronounce it, gorllewin Africa. Its predecessors include West African griot traditions. Hopefully that's how you pronounce it. If not, I'll forget by tomorrow. I forget when I change tabs, remember, on my browser. I better keep going in case I forget what I'm doing. Arddulliau lleisiol blues a jazz. Blues and jazz vocal styles. A geiriau Afro-Americanaidd and Afro-American word games. Erbyn diwedd y degawd, by the end of the decade, daeth yn rhan o gerddoriaeth boblogaeth. It became part of popular music. Gan dylanwadau ar faterion cymdeithasol a gwleidyddol a Lledaeni'n fyd-eang, influencing social and political issues and spreading globally. So, and the drum kit there again. Doof. 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 Yeah, there's drum kits there again if you want to play with that if you didn't see it. And you've just press the drums and they make the noises and tell you what it is in Welsh. Some artists today, I've gone looking around for lots of videos, put them in the jukebox. I've put a few players there so you can see the artists and just grab the songs. Low Cut and Slavar, I think that's how you pronounce it. Really good. About 10 tracks there by them. Knuckle MC, excellent. Well, these are all really good. There's some really good stuff. And a few tracks by him. And Tri Hwyr Doeth, which I think means 3 rich whores. Don't know for sure. Excuse me. But they've not put the roof over the W. They're just playing on that, though, I'm quite sure. Hang on a sec. Then we got Genadrwg, which is Naughty Girls. Dywygiad, The Revival. Cofi Bach a Tew Shady. So, I think Cofi, I think that's how you pronounced it. That's the name of the dialect of Carnarvon. It's like a pet name for somebody with a dialect from there. Presuming Tew Shady's a play on Slim Shady, but he's fat. So, yeah, there you go. They're excellent as well. All of these are really good. And Dull May seems to appear everywhere as well, and Mr. Formula. And as I get to know some more people will pop up as well. Rapscallion, that's another name to look out for. Mr. Formula I mentioned. Tystion. They pop up. Not checked them out properly yet, but they keep popping up. Dom a Lloyd. Sage Todds. Llwybyr Lleithog. The band there, really good. Tigwydir, Glass House, Greenhouse. An Erin Caradog, he's either the poet laureate or the children's poet laureate or master poet or something. I've been all three, I don't know. He was in hip-hop bands as well and has done performances, rapping, poetry and stuff. Pep Le Pew, another of Bill May's bands, I think. Skylark, pretty much how you pronounce it. There's no A in it though, just Skylrk. A Profiad, I've done a rap. Gookie, A5. Slavar ar teulu, so this guy from before, Slavar, and the family, so the project presumably. And Lemfrek, or Lemfreg, don't know how you pronounce it, and Edith, Eadyth. So all interesting people that I've read about today or had a chance to listen to or heard about before. Words then for today in Welsh. Rap is rap, we said. Rapiwr is a rapper. Rapwyr, rappers. Rapio is to rap, the verb. Beatboxwr is a beatboxer. Perfformio is perform. Performio is perform, but it's the aspirate mutation of perfformio. Performio is perform, but it's the soft mutation of perfformio. Performur is performer. Performur is performer as well, aspirate mutation. Performwyr, performers, loads of these words. And studio. Beatboxio is beatboxing, or to beatbox, the verb. Perfformiad, performance. Curiad, beats, pulse, throb, pulsation. Geirfa, vocabulary. So you need, when you're rapping, a wide one of them. And you need a menydd, a brain, because you've got to do things quick and think of things quick. A meddwl is your mind and think as well. You've got to do that. You've got to use your mind and you've got to think. Microphone, and you've got to use one of them. That's what I've just done. Use my mind and my brain to come up with that link. And that's what you're going to do when you're a rapper. Microphone, yeah. Track is track, believe it or not, with no K in it. Even though there used to be K's in Welsh, but some saving on printing or some issue of not having enough letters meant that they don't have the K. Track is track, like I said, with no K. Bar is bar as well. A section of music, 4 beats often, depending on the time signature. Thank you, performio. Thank you there. Yeah, performio, performio. Rapio. Yeah, different words there. Jumping on to some news. If I can get to it. Cyhoeddi enillwyr prif wobrau celfyddol. Yeah. Cyhoeddi enillwyr prif wobrau celfyddol Eisteddfod ar garreg glas. Announcing the winners of the main artistic prizes of the garreg glas Eisteddfod. Old news now, picked these headlines up this morning, but there'll be lots of things happening over there, Eisteddfod. Creu arwyddion cynhwysol I rhoi chroeso I bawb i'r Eisteddfod. Inclusive signs created to welcome everyone to the Eisteddfod. Galwadau I baratoi'n well ar gyfer y risg o danau mawr. Calls for better preparations for the risk of major fires. Sefyll ar y sgwâr, byse Richard a Wyn wrth ei boddau. Standing on the square, Richard and Wyn would be delighted. Mam byth am dderbyn, ymddihiriad gan lofrydd ei mab. A mother never wants to accept an apology from her son's killer. This song today, I've done some bits and bobs, because I can't sing normally, because I'm training to sing classically to join a choir, and I still want to carry on creating and stuff. I'm thinking of different ways of still writing Welsh lyrics and then performing them and getting back into recording and stuff. So today I've done a rap, because today's about rapping, and I've done a bit where I sort of classically sing, but I'm only new to it. I've only been doing it a week, so we'll see how we go. These are the words. Mae'r Gymraeg wedi bod mor dda I mi. Yn ôl I fywyd, yn ôl I reality. Bydd y Gymraeg yn dod o le mor byr. Yr holl fy mywyd, nôl yr odliadur. Welsh has been so good to me. Back to life, back to reality. The Welsh language will come from such a pure place. All my life, fetch the rhyming dictionary. Dyddiau cynnar yw hyn, bydd y geiriau'n gwella. Cynnyrch dyddiol yw hwn, bydd camgymeriadau. Weithiau alla I ddim canolbwyntio. Weithiau yna does dim pwynt iddo. It's early days, the words will get better. This is a daily product, there will be mistakes. Sometimes I can't concentrate. Sometimes there's no point to it. So there's the words for today. Here's the song. Catch you soon. Mae Gymraeg wedi bod mor dda I mi. Yn ôl I fywyd, yn ôl I reality. Bydd y Gymraeg yn dod o le mor byr. O holl fy mywyd, yn ôl I odliadur. Mor dda I mi, mor dda I mi. O le mor byr, o le mor byr. Dydy canner o hym, bydd y geiriau yn gwella. Cynnyrch dyddiol hwn, bydd camgymeriadau. Weithiau, alla I ddim canolbwyntio. Weithiau, yna does dim pwynt iddo.